Welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Today I will be working in the garden. It's my husband and I working. We will be preparing a bed where we want to plant celery and garlic. So it's basically just to take you through how we prepare a bed. What we normally do is we put a layer of leaves, brown leaves, and then when we have done that, we then put a layer of compost. That is what we are doing there. We put a layer of compost and then we arrange it nicely. And this is just to make sure that our plants have enough food. Because we don't normally buy fertilizer, we just rely on compost only. So we make sure that before we plant, we really, we prepare the soil nicely, making sure that our plants will get all the nutrients that we need. There are leaves, just brown leaves, and then that then is followed by compost, which is compost that we make ourselves. I took you through how we make compost in our backyard. So this is the compost that we are using here today. And we make sure that there is a lot of compost because we're planting celery and garlic, and those two plants are heavy feeders. They need really a lot of food. So we do this in preparation so that later on we can then also use some liquid fertilizers that thankfully we have learned from YouTube, even some channels that I follow, that I've learned how to make liquid fertilizer, and that seems to really work. It does work. I remember I watched Stacy, Gardening with Stacy channel, where she makes like a green liquid fertilizer, and yeah, that really works. I love that. My celery, once I use that on my celery, oh, it really loves it. It grows and it's lovely. Yeah. My beds, the way I prepare them, I don't really do a lot of digging because I have a bed bag. So I try to do as minimal work as I can. So normally what I do, once we've removed the debris from the previous plants, I just level it and then I'll put some grass clippings or put some leaves and then just put compost on top, and then I plant. It makes it possible for me to garden. Otherwise I wouldn't be, because my back doesn't allow me to do like heavy digging as such. So I really love no dig gardening. It works for me. My husband prefers to dig and tend the soil, but no, I prefer less work. Maybe I'm the lazy one, but yeah, I prefer less work. Yeah, so when the bed was done, I then put in some wood shavings on the path, just to prevent weeds. And also that's the other thing, I try and minimize the amount of work. So if I do that in between the beds, then I don't have to deal with weeds as such. I just have to deal with weeds maybe that come up on the bed, which is, that will be easy for me to take out. And that is the bed after we had put in a layer of compost on top. There's a lot of dead matter, which I think as it breaks down, it will feed our plants. And then that is the celery and the garlic. And I'm sure you remember I did a video weeks back where I was starting celery from seed, and it has really done well. So I planted it today, and then I'll give you an update maybe in about 3 weeks time when it's 3 weeks old, and then I will show you. Yeah, and there is the garlic that I'm planting. And I've read that garlic is a good companion plant for celery. The only worry that I have though is that they're both heavy feeders, so that which means I have to feed. I just have to watch them and feed them as much as I can. And this is my first time to grow garlic. I have never grown garlic before, so we will see how it will turn out. It's my first time to grow celery from seed. I've always bought seedlings before. It's my first celery to grow garlic, so we'll see. It's a good experiment really to see how it will do. And that was it after planting and watering. And then after that I put in a lot of mulch so that the soil doesn't dry out. And yeah, then we just have to wait and see. Yeah, I will be giving you an update later on to see how both the garlic and the celery are doing. Watch out for that one. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.